ngibonisa thathani lesithombe bayede wena waphakathi ngwenyamanduna ngithunywe nguye umfana wengwenyama dlaliselwa mthandeni ithuba ngiphinze ngithunywe ngumthandeni thuba dlaliselwa wathi mvane Nkosi uyawufike uguqe ngetinyawo totimbili ngamatholo amabili engwenyameni ufike ungivuselele ufike usho kwekuthi lunwelelo luthe wena waphakathi nami angishiya nginqabhayi dlaliselwa wathi mvane Nkosi wena siyawukuba linqusa lami uNkulunkulu masasi asesigcinile kuyawuthi iqolisela engwenyameni bayethi wena phakathi wena ngwangethi insaba mvane Nkosi longiduna nkulu nango umbhobho wena wekune bayethi wena phakathi wena longayethi insaba
Bayethu wena waphakathi Nkosi Ndlovukazi Mhlekazi Your Majesty King Mswati III, Your Majesty the Ndlovukazi, Your Royal Highnesses Bantu Benkosi, Chiefs, His Lordship the Chief Justice, the Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Councillors, Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers and members of both Houses of Parliament, the Regional Administrator for the Manzini region, Commissioner